Get up a firewood laying out in the room. Probably have in the garage sale. Some deeper. Hey Tom, I can't find your little tree. Oh, there it is. Back up against the garage here. Oh, I'm gonna go next.
Makes you dizzy to walk over this.
What? Look at that big old whirlpool. It's clear up the top of the fence here right now almost. I bet you this guy lost a lot of hay.
You just walking through it, you don't even care.
I had some boots he could have wore.
I got some chest, baby. A river over here, look at
Now
that.
watch your language because I'm going to show this tape to people.
Let me see it, let me see it.
It's recording right now. Anything behind you?
So what if there is?
Well, look through the lens. Move the camera real slow. These people down here are moving out. Okay, there's one down there. You know, you go on through our place up on the main road there, and going down the Waterloo, the house down the corner, they probably got about a foot of it in their front room. Look at the camera. Look at the camera wet, kid. Show up.
It's recording.
Somebody's moving. Why they're moving?
Damn it.
Oh, they're sandbagging.
Yeah, they're sandbagging.
We was gonna put the Oscars out in the yard and let them play for a while. Good golly, don't you ever clean your windshield? It's on my camera lens. It's horrible.
Wait till you see these houses over here. That's what's funny.
Oh, the ones down on the left?
Look at this. I bet you there's a
You
whirl,
better
look at
watch-
that whirlpool over there.
Yeah.
Jump in that son of a bitch.
Watch tape. Tape it.
It's trying to come over now. Look at this fence right here, Dad.
Hey, no. I
Look at
got
this
it.
fence. Tell me that ain't got a swift current.
That guy can't get in and out of his place. He's...
That'd wash you away.
Tommy, you ready? You better watch the cars behind you.
Oh, somebody knocked somebody on their ass. And he's smart with me.
Hey.
He's staring at me. I don't like him staring at me.
Watch what you're saying when I'm recording.
Oh, look, they didn't get no water in there.
No, who told you that? Just like water probably going over the Green Peter Dam.
Oh, it's actually calmed down.
Yeah, but the big storm ain't supposed to hit pretty soon, about noon. It's a big one, bigger than the one that just hit.
Oh, well, Linder's old house.
Well, I thought that burnt down.
Look at this.
Well, they ain't got no water in the house, they're fortunate. We're going up the road. There's some trailer houses you can probably get pretty cheap. The axles on them. Spindles. He didn't splice that right in here on my...
Look at this. Look at that truck right through the hose.
Well, I won't be the only one picking up firewood. Oh, I like the way that covered bridge washed out of there. It looks to me like they rebuild it real quick. Man, look at all that firewood. Now'd be the time to have a rubber boat. It was up higher. Yeah. No, up him? No, he ain't related no more. Look at all that. There's a lot of good firewood going down through there. Just a second. Oh, they'll fix that. That's just the skirting. It's gone down.
down. I mean, it was just inches from the bottom of that bridge a couple hours ago.
Yeah. Oh, what? I'm recording with the lens on it. The swimming hole. They're muddy in it. It washed all them dirty Pampers out there they left on the beach.
Comes that big log.
Where? Yeah, that's the same one. Passed under the bridge a while ago.
It just sucked it under. Here comes the truck. Let her go.
Don't look to me like there's anybody home. Probably to shut their main power off.
It's draining back out now.
We're with the press. Our beautiful downtown Brownsville. You can go through there. That's a piece of cake. Hey, I wonder where the store ain't open.
I don't think we're going to be able to go through there, Dad.
Them rigs are.
I think that's what this city.
Go around you. I think there's probably water in the store. That's a creek well. Huh? Yeah, you have to go quite a ways. It's got to get careful when there's a stripper to run that motor out. Look at that messed up winch. Got a little water in the service. Look at this 5-gallon buckets floating around the service station.
We got deep it's getting, Dad. I'm going to stall this son of a bitch out.
Well, hey, somebody will pull us out.
Watch you, man.
You ain't gonna stall out no more than that Ford in front of you.
Look at that.
Just go to crawl.
Everybody slow down. Look, I can feel that.
Who's looking clean at this time of day? No turning back now yet.
Nothing was up off the ground.
Huh? Oh, it didn't lift us up off the ground. Look at those houses over there.
Yeah, really. Let me see that camera.
I got it. You just watch where you're going. It'll all come out in living color.
Oh, look at that. It just dives over that thing.
He's kind of dived up for that house ain't getting no water, is it?
It's not going over the bridge.
Watch that truck. I laugh he speeded up on you. Ooh, you felt the truck move in. There's Church Street. Must be there's a church. Yeah, you'll be on Channel 2 tonight.
What?
You'll be on Channel 2 tonight. That house there, I'll be just about to be floating off. You better drag your brakes. Nobody home out there. Oh, and that house has got water in it. Maybe they're taking second thoughts about that big maneuver moving in there. I can't believe this battery's still going. Well, I better save something for later. There comes that log again. Hey, there's gonna be a lot of firewood right down in here. What's the hole up there?
Everything go.
Oh, there ain't nothing to film.
I only see one sled.
Get name on any of that?
Help me, Dad, help me.
Freeway. I'm recording.
It's just a long ways still. Rhonda's house is underwater, okay.
Yeah, I almost believe it.
Let me get out of here and I'll wait
Oh,
out.
I don't think you can get through it.
There's a dry spot right there.
I don't know about that one, Ed. I mean, way on up there is what I'm talking about.
We was up to our floorboard the last time.
Yeah, we get up your floorboards up here.
No, well.
We found this battery's last one. I haven't filmed with it for a long time. The battery usually goes dead. Break that loose, help the water loose. Kill your engine.